Well, hello. Let's go to the code, okay? The Kotlin code, and let's play with this, with the edit text. We define a new edit text. Let's put edit text. This element is the type of edit text, okay? Let's use the famous find view by ID, and let's put our ID and edit text. The problem is we don't have an edit text. We don't put the ID. Okay, so let me come back here and let me add the ID. Okay, and let's put edit text here. Okay, this is the definition of the ID, and now okay, it's correct. Well, what happened when we click in the button? When click the button, well, I want to change the value of the edit text. So let's put edit text is the same. No, actually name text is the value to change. Name dot text, we will use the edit text. Okay, very easy, very easy. And now let's execute the application. And well, if you see here, now I will put hola mundo. Okay, and change text, you see, hola mundo. And now I will put hello and change text and hello. And well, this is a very easy way to interact, in this case, between three elements: edit text, text view, and the button. Okay, for now we are using a couple things. We are using text view, button, edit text. We are using the set on click listener. We are using the elements inside the constraint layouts. Well, if you think a little about it, you will see now you have a couple more elements to trying to use Android. Okay, so well, congratulations and see you later.